So we're on the road again after Mark redid the interior of our van. So I'm going to do an updated video about our van setup. Here's one of our new additions and upgrades. That's Poppy. Poppy giving the side eye. She's not sure how she feels about video. So I will link to our previous van setup video. And as you can see, we have shelves here instead of overflowing boxes, which is very nice. We also have our slider open because we have a screen. So we have a screen on the window. We have curtains rolled up. We have a stove top that Mark installed. There's one of our curtains instead of reflectix. There's another shelf. We can now see and access all of our food. And over on the other side, we have more curtains. We have a curtain and screen here for the slider because we also have a window that we can put the screen down. He did everything with snaps. There's snaps. But yeah, this works much better. Much more organized. It also doesn't hurt that we also have much less stuff we brought this time. Lessons learned. One of the best additions is this shelf that Mark built with solid storage above it and then some shock cord for adding additional things. Before we had a cargo net that came really low and touched our heads. This is much better. One of the best upgrades we did. This is one of the best features that Mark made, was a sliding door to cover our kitchen things. He became very creative with this solution. He just put a board, screwed a board down in there and left a little channel so he could put the door in. Brilliant. Here's the front seat when we're camping. In the last video you can see there was just a lot more stuff. Now it's like the seat, the chair, bags, my purse, one ottoman, my computer bag. We do have just the reflectix in the front cab. But other than that, it's very, very organized, neat, much easier to break down, set up. And once again, the best addition to our van is Poppy.